Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this Orlashop 30-pack pink disposable rectangular aluminum loaf pans with lids. So I do want to thank Orlashop for actually gifting this to me. So what we essentially have here is a way to kind of bake multiple pieces of bread. So you can see here that we have the pink aluminum foil pans, and each of these, there's actually a pack of 30. They each come with their own plastic lids that you see here as well. And so what's good about this is that you could actually label them with labels that comes with. So with these labels, it says made with love, delicious, and you can use these baking pans. It also includes spoons as well, or basically spoons slash forks that you see here. But with it, you basically have a way to kind of bake bread within each of these pans. Once the bread is done, you could actually close each of the breads with lids. And this works really well for events, parties, or catering services where you plan to have multiple different breads and hand them out to people as far as serving them goes. So the sporks that are included, there's 30 of them as well. And additionally, the labels are just a nice way to kind of give it a nice brandability and such. But overall, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.